Hello guys, we are going to look at a simple data entry for beginners. So you need to get this thing on board before we get going. One, you need to launch your MS Excel and you use Alt plus F11 to get into your MS Visual Basic, and you start to do some small coding here. It is easy, and you test to verify the work done, after which you will get a success like this. So let's get into the real work. So now that we are in Excel, let's get moving. Here we type our ID and come here, name. And here we get our address. Let's do this to make way. And let's come here and change this one also to this sheet one to database. So we select this one and type database there. Now let's use our shortcut code plus F11 to get moving. So Alt plus F11. So now that we are in Microsoft Visual Basic, we will just go to Insert and start with our design. So just take our label and form, text box. We will select move and make some duplicates here. We will do another duplicate, place them also here, and let's go for our command button here. So let's start to make changes here. ID. Sorry. So we can change this one also to name. And make this one address. Let's clear this one here. Make it address. Address. And change this one also to ID. So let's come here. Make it ID. And this one to TST name. Make this one address. And let's come to this one and make it save. Let's come here also and change it to save also. Save. So now that we are almost done with our form, let us come to the form itself and change this one also to form inputs. And change the caption to data entry. Data entry. Now we can make changes here. You can come here and change the color, height. For color, you can change it. So let's see if we can make some changes here for color. Okay, let's use this one. I think this one is good. Or better still, we will come back and do that one later. So let's get to our coding. So double click here. So let's clear all these and start our recording. For the purpose of this work, the course has been already typed here. So as you can see, we want to make things easy. So we have typed all the codes here already. The codes are in here already typed. So all that you do is Control A, select, and you copy. You come back to your Visual Basic and paste the codes here. So the codes will be nicely pasted. So let us see. You can see the codes. They have been pasted. It ends with NSAP. So here are the codes, as you can see. They are all typed in here. So go to a private sub, save, click, and use your condition if else. So you get your codes all typed nicely here. Now let us go back and run it and check it out. So here is the data entry. Now I'm ready to do some inputs. So the name is the ID. The ID can be, let's take ID 1234 and the name Gatfield Gate. Gatfield Gates. And the address, the data address will do. That's CS hyphen 1000 hyphen 2022. I think we are good to go. Let's save it and check it out. So, whoa, work is done. You can see everything is in there as you want it. So, okay, work save. Let's add another name and with another ID. That's 248, and the name is Maclean. Hineba, and the address is CS hyphen 2000 2040, and that one too is entered. So our data has been created, and let's come back and see another name like Reef Amwa. Reef Amwa. Reef Ahmed Amwa AA. Sorry, let's bring that rather here. And let let us give him the ID 419 and the address ms/1/. CS 888 hyphen 9999. So save it here. That one too has been successful. So now we are done, but we can go back to the codes and do some changes in there. For if we like, we can come back here and just do some background changes, 4 color changes here. So you pick them one after the other and come and see, check this out and see color. Where are you? Font type, so you can change the font type here. You can also change the font color, the color of it here, so we can make this one blue, and let's see how it will work. And let's come back to the name and let's make that one also something like this. Okay, and see. Okay, that one too. Let's make it a window black. Let's change this one also to another color. Color will be this one. Let's take this one also, the blue color. Now to the background, we will change the background for color. Let's make it blue and see. No, this one is not working for us. Background. I think the border color. Let's change that one also to deep black. And I think we are good to go. So let's run it and check it out. You can just do the changements in color yourself. So let's go to the codes and start running it. So you see the name and the color has been changed. That's that you need to put in your name, and you can see at first it was quite a dot. So you can make changes. The background, for the background, you can make the changes yourself. Thank you for watching, and just click on the subscription and also give your comments, and if you like, share them to others to see this. Thank you.